Well, it's Saturday, and it's about 5 minutes before 8. Kevin's coming over. He should be here shortly. He's going to test ride this bike, and then we'll put it back on the lift and see what kind of leakage we have. And he'll tell me what he thinks about the shifting and the clutch. So that's where we are. We're probably not going to work on the bike today because he and I and our good buddy Steve are going over to the MIM. M-I-M. We're going to the MIM, which is the Musical Instrument Museum here in Phoenix, which sounds really weird, so I've never gone there. But I'm told it's spectacular beyond comprehension. So we're going over there, spend the morning, get lunch, come back, and then I'll probably take a nap. So I'll let you know if the test ride results in leakage and or clutch problems and or third gear popping out of problems later on this afternoon. All right, Kevin's going to do a test ride this morning. I just started it. It took about 4 kicks. Just a cold start, a little sluggish. But then it started up at an idle just beautifully, and that's what it's doing. Just sitting there idling very nicely. So we're going to roll it outside, and he's going to take it on about a 1.5-mile test ride. And it sees sunlight and looks really good. We did check to see if the clutch is releasing while it was still sitting on the stand. And it clicked into first gear very nicely with no clattering. Oh, very nice. Good brake. Oh, just kicked out of third gear, just like the client said. Interesting. All right, we'll see what he says when he comes back, but he just popped right out of third gear. Now, these 500s have a very long shift throw. You can't snick them in and out of gears the way you can the 650s. You have to, it's like a 4-inch throw. The first time I rode my 500, I thought there's something so wrong. I actually took the tranny apart, and then I just realized, no, the 500s have a really long throw, and put it back together. And I just have to remember when I ride my 500 to shift it 4 inches each time. We'll see what Kevin says by the time he gets back. And here he comes. I'm going to flag him right into the garage, and we'll talk about this.
Yeah, we got a third gear problem.
You say?
Yeah, I mean, you probably heard it first time. It popped right out.
Yep.
Then I tried keeping the revs high up, going up. It popped out, coming back down, and you could just feel it. Something's wrong.
All right, very good. We will let the client know. We will go through the transmission. Good. Right, that's the result.
Yep.